All right, hi everybody. Joe from Death Free Cars. We pulled out this board that goes on the bottom of the navigation unit, and just today I received a new board. Looks exactly the same, and the link is available in this in the comments section. The model number of this board is 462151-0510. The old number actually has a slight variation. It's actually -0492. I believe it's just a newer version of the old board. Everything else matches. Make sure the connectors match. Okay, all the connectors match. On the other side, we have the interface with the main board that matches. Okay, so we'll put this in. So it's always a good idea to mark your old board just so you don't get them mixed up. So we'll go ahead and snap this in. So the port, this is the back side of the stereo. This is the back side of the board. Place this here. Make sure that the connectors match up. And when you press this in, before you press this in, no, this is good. Before you press this in, just match it up. I would match up the screw holes first, and then just gently press this in into the connector until it snaps. Okay, so once you have that, remember we had a this is the rear camera port, the rear backup camera port. This is a bracket. This is the rear mount bracket here. So we can actually get, okay, okay, so remember the board attaches with 3 screws. Okay, one here, the middle, two, three. It's the pan head screws. Okay, so this connector flips up. Make sure you tuck in the front of the connector first, and then it has a plastic tab that it has to go over first, and then you can close this down. So that makes the connection there. This bar goes towards the fan and actually goes underneath this fan shroud. Goes right there. 2 screws, we'll go ahead and install those. These ones, I believe, are also the pan head screws. The short pan head screws. Okay. And then our connector for the rear view camera. But before we do that, let's put this piece on. So this brass connector goes against the board here. And it goes underneath right there. Okay. Long pan head. So once that connects, it actually connects to the ground there. And then we could come back here, and we could attach this device. So put the connector in, slides in, and then this the little bracket on top that goes over, and then you just lock this darker brown color plastic in, and then flip it in and attach 2 screws there.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so go ahead and attach 2 screws there. And this completes the side, the part over here. And so then what we would do is put this bottom tray on from the back first. And again, remember there's a connector, there's a black connector here, black connector here that needs to match up. So go ahead and slide this down, and then the connectors just push in fairly easily. Okay, make sure everything is connected here. So we'll go ahead and screw this in, and make sure this attaches in well, and then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and plug this onto the car and test it before we finish up the assembly. Okay, so before we do this, we have to attach the faceplate onto the ribbon cable, and then we'll go ahead and test it. So I'll see you at the car. All right, everybody, so this is the DVD player plugged in, and it looks like it's starting up right now. Screen's fully engaged. So in a few minutes here, we'll be able to see what it looks like. So yes, it's working. All right, so here it is working, fully working, functioning. Good luck, everybody. Hope you enjoy. Please be sure to subscribe and like this video.